Dotan Happy Christmas. Pwede English ini sini company ni madam, but sini company ni madam ni friends foreigner. Aba pajong sini company o sini aro pajong ba. The first time India o family sempurna sa Happy Christmas ni lamdok sogon berno pal play, but ang tini Bono lamdang ni bagay sini company ni no Rika. Pengamu temen dong Happy Christmas kaya ni India first time ni dari India sini baru kau coba ngaca sarana ngaca usuk ya na dari India sempur no kaya tu baru kau coba gari be kau coba usuk ya ka tiada kau tahu mana baru no sini dia ni Happy Christmas sempur mereka pada amat sempur no penglihatan nak hari. Dah ukna teh no sini mana kan? Hai tinggal nonton tekor tuh jadi. Apa sih? Tahu pun pelajar, teh 10-15 menit nih semua. Anggo first time partner by kok sana bad malahnya nih kita berkatam tanah yang toka. Kalau ini jadi itu, Happy Christmas baru baik ini kok salahnya malahnya. But welcome to Purna. Channel night.
Don't you love Christmas? Here's Jingle Bells for you. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank, and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now the ground is white, so go it while you're young. Take the girls tonight and sing the sleighing song. Just get a bobtailed bay, 240 as his speed. Hitch him to an open sleigh and crack, you'll take the lead. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Pakai baru malah kayak pada video di sini dia tamu ke sini orang sudi tunggu mah Christmas ni jalan sudi tunggu nggak semua total korok tamping dan kayak baru berkok salahnya ba welcome selagi kalau mana ibaga kayak bawa video tangan di sana semalia but foto budang mani madam tay shasam foto budang mani ya bongi yagur ba manur butong ba borse sangote foto butong chu kai sumi boro foto budang tan semalia bada bin basalatai basal butong masing foto budaka tam kai bele happy Christmas baba sang welcome kake but bor ba happy kan sawa hatno video tishmalia tam mukun satu dia but ang other say uniform ako kan kon satu dia bor ko side jong kan kay bor video tishmalia video tishne kem kersin dara but bor ko mukha ga jotona Christmas ni suri thanggang man gang kay ke bor ko mukha ga samata tinjana se sta pa kay ke video tishne sa smalia but photo budaka din besabet tay besala ba simi photo budaka but madam ko budang nani manno ba borda na borsul dia sang photo bujong jo ngai sang bara budang male but happy Christmas